Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to turn off location sharing on Instagram. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Instagram on your phone and make sure that you have the latest version in order to get a smooth experience. Now, I want you to go and click on your profile picture on the bottom right side, then go and click on these three horizontal lines on the top right side. Now, once you are in here, you need to scroll down till you find here device permissions, tap on it. Once you tap on device permissions, here you can find many options. You can simply click on location services, then click on turn off location services if you have it turn it on. So here in my case, it is not actually allowed. So I'll simply click on turn off. But here in my case, I have it turned on because I have it already turned it off. So you just have to click on turn off and you're all done. Now you can do another thing. You can actually go to settings of your phone, then search for manage apps. So in my case, I will go to apps, then I will go to manage apps. And now I will have to search for Instagram itself. So let me show you Instagram, for example. Okay, the letter I. Yes, here we have it. Just click on it. And once you click on it, go to app permissions. And for the location here, as you can see, I have the location. It is not allowed. Simply click on do not allow. And this is how we can actually remove or turn off the location sharing. You can even turn off any other things if you need. So make sure that here location is not allowed and it is not having access to your location. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.